Hello, welcome back. In Reaper, finding the tempo of a song is easy. Find the downbeat of the song, trim to the beginning of it on its transient, and bring the item to the beginning of the project. Look for the measure 3 of the song. On the track, right-click, Track Time Base, Time. Ctrl-J on PC, Command-J on Mac, go to measure 3. Go to the ruler, Shift and C, OK. Holding down Ctrl with the left mouse button, drag the created marker up to the start transient of measure 3. Double-click on the first marker and you get the tempo. Now, delete the second time marker as you no longer need it. The metronome and therefore the project is now in tempo with the song. That's it for the moment. Thanks for watching.